Michael, I want to kind of cover this really fast. So we said the subject that we're going to be writing about is Amelia Earhart, okay? And we had to pick some possible topics. And after reading through source A, B, C, and D, we picked some topics. In class, we picked early life, accomplishments, we did last flight, and finally legacy or awards. Those are the 4 topics we picked. Yours might be slightly different, and that's fine. And we got those possible topics by reading through each source, each paragraph to see what it was about. Okay, now the next thing we have to do is you have to decide which 3 topics you're going to write about. I'm going to go with early life, last flight, and legacy. So I'm getting rid of accomplishments. That's just what I chose. Okay, first, I've got to take a topic and do the work. Remember that big old sheet of paper we used to use? Something like this. Okay, we have to collect information to create a fused outline. Watch this. Okay, early life. That's what I'm going to do. So I've got to get information from source A, source B, source C, and source D. Every single time I grab information, I'm going to grab it about Amelia Earhart's early life. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 things I can grab. So I go to source A and I find some facts that I like. And I write them here, here, and here. Then I go to source B. And once again, it's Amelia Earhart, early life. And I find 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 interesting facts. And I write them here. Okay? Same thing for C and D. Every single time, I'm getting information about Amelia Earhart's early life. Okay? So I did A, E, E, L for Amelia Earhart early life. Now that I've collected facts about her early life from source A, source B, source C, and source D, then I do my fused outline. So here's my fused outline. I put the Roman numeral 1, and I put Amelia Earhart, early life. And when you do a fused outline, you want to get about 7 facts because you want your paragraph to be good and meaty. So, and if you need 8 or 9, you can, but that's a good amount. And here's my clincher. Now, what do I do, or how do I get those facts about her early life? Well, I want to grab some from A, some from B, some from C, and some from D. So I go, oh, I like this one and this one. I'm going to write those here. Oh, and this one over here, that matches this. Oh, and that one and those. Okay, I also want to include this. I only have 2 more. What's important to me? I like this fact and this fact. So now I have collected my favorite facts from each of the sources and put them down here in my fused outline in an order that I like. And so now the next step is to write my paragraph. It should have a topic sentence, about 7 or 8 details, and a clincher sentence. And that whole paragraph will be about Amelia Earhart's early life. Whoa! I'm feeling tired. So after I did that, I take a big old break. And then the next day, I would come along and I'm like, well, I just completed early life. Check. I'm going to do last flight. So I come up here and I collect facts again. But this time, I'm collecting facts about the last flight. And I would collect things in A about the last flight, B, C, and D about the last flight. And then I would come over here and do a fused outline about the last flight. And I would have my topic sentence about Amelia Earhart's last flight, about 7 or 8 details, and my clincher. Okay, that's the homework for this week. It's a lot, but you can do it. I know you can. So even though the checklist says to do 3 paragraphs, all I want you to do is to pick 2 of the topics, source outlines, fused outline, write the paragraph. Do it again. New source outlines, new fused outline, write the paragraph. That's all you have to do this week. Next week, we'll do an extra paragraph. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. Bye, Michael.